With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Okay, so the given question here we have is if the graph of a non-constant function, okay, a non-constant function is symmetric about the point 3, 4, then the value of sigma r equals to 0 to 6 fr plus f3 is equals to, we have to find this value here. Okay, so first of all we know that this is what my solution part here, right? So it says that I have a what symmetric function around the point 3, 4. If this is my x and this is what my y here, we already know that. So we know that y equals to what fx. Since y equals to fx, so in that case I can say that my f of 3 is equals to what 4, right? Because we know that in a symmetric and non-constant function, since fx equals to what y, right, in this case. So I'm receiving the value of f3 as what 4, and it is also a what non-constant function and also symmetric. So in that case, whenever changes happen in this function f3, so suppose plus h change happens, so in that case this will become what 4 plus k value, some value changes with what k. So similarly f3 minus h will be what 3 minus h will be what 4 minus k. Why 4 minus k? Because we know that this is what a symmetric function about what this points 3 and 4. That's why we are making variable changes around points 3 and 4, right? You guys can notice one thing, and they are symmetric. That's why they are having h and k and minus of h and minus of what k. So now moving further, it says that I have to what find the value of what I have to find the value of this function here. Okay, which one? This function. So let me write down here this function. So first of all, this is what sigma. Okay guys, r equals to what 0 to 6. Here I have what f of r here, okay, and plus of what f of 3. So first of all, if I put the values of fr here or r values here, so this will become what? So this will become f of 0. First statement should be f of 0, right? We are putting the value of r as 0, f of 0, and plus of what? Then f of 1 here I have, then f of 2 here I have, then f of 3 here I have, then f of what? F of 4, then f of 5, right? And it will go up to what? F of 6. And don't forget to what? This f3 is also there. After completion of the series, we have to write f of 3 also. Okay guys, so now moving further, I can write here that this can be done as what? Okay guys, notice now one thing, f3 is what repeated 2 times, so I can say this will be what 2 times of f of 3. Okay, now I can write here that f of okay, so I can write here f of 0 and f of 6 first. So f of 0 and plus of what? F of 6. Okay, next one will be what? F of 1 and f of 5. I'll tell you why I'm writing these pairs according to each other, right? And then next one will be what? F of 2 and plus of what? F of 4. So now I can do one thing, you guys can look carefully. This 0 can be what? This 0 can be 3 minus 3, I can say. This can be what? 3 minus 3. This x part will be what? 3 minus 3, right? And also 6 is what? This 6 can be 3 and plus of what? 3. So clearly, if you guys notice one thing, this solution you are going to receive that f of 3, right? So it means f of 3 minus of h, where h is what? 3. So this will give me solution 4 minus k. Okay. So this will give me what? Solution of what? 4 minus k. So I can write here this is 4 minus, rather than k, k1 let's suppose. Similarly 3 plus 3, as we know symmetric. So this will give me what? 4 plus k, or we can say 4 plus k1 in that case. So this will be what? 4 plus k1. Similarly in this section f1 can be written as what? 3 minus 2, I can write here that. So this will be what? 3 minus, sorry, this should be 3 minus, exactly 3 minus 2, right? Because 3 minus 2 will be what? 1. Similarly 5 is what? 3 plus 2. Similarly this one is what? 3, or we can say this one will be 3 minus of 1, and this one will be what? 3 plus of 1, because we are going to see the value of y as what? 4. So clearly now you guys can notice one thing, this is what? 4 minus of what? K2 value we are going to receive. Similarly this one is what? 4 plus k2, right? Because if this is my fx value, this is the y value we are going to receive according to the given statements here I have in the top. We just used here this one, as we know they are symmetric. Similarly for this one we are going to receive will be what? 4 minus of k3, right? And this one will be what? 4 plus of k3. Okay guys, and also this part is what? Okay, before doing anything else, now look guys carefully. Clearly we know that this part will be what? This part will be 8 value. Why? Because 4 minus k1 plus of what? 4 plus k1, right? Also we can say this is a plus here out. In every case there is a what? Plus here. You have a plus here, and plus here, and we know that every value is what? This is giving you what? 8, because this minus k1 plus k1 cancel out, so we are receiving the values what? This one is what? 8. Similarly plus of what? This one is what? Basically again 8. K2 minus k2 cancel out. Similarly k3 and k3 also cancel out, so this will be what? 8 again here I have. So now I can say that on this two f3 values, so basically what is the value of f3 first of all? F3 value is what? Basically 4 here. So this is what? 2 times of 4. So basically this is what? 2 times of 4 here I have. So this will become what? This will become again 8. So how many times 8s are there? So basically we have 4 times of 8. So I can say this is what? 4 times of 8 summation. This is equals to what? 32. So I can say that the value we are looking for, or the solution of this function is what? Basically 32. So 32 is the answer we are looking for.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.